Hello, this is Matt Doctor for iTechNews.gr, and today we have the Amazfit GTS, a smartwatch that came from Huami and Xiaomi. It came to me from Banggood, which I ordered it some time ago. Now, the GTS, what I am saying and many people are saying, and partially is correct, is a square GTR. It's a GTS square, when the GTR is a GTR round. So, this is the box that came to me from Banggood. This is the GTS. From what it says here, it has AMOLED display. It's water resistant up to 50 meters, built-in GPS, long battery life, multi-sport modes, and it's lightweight. At the back it has some info, but mainly in Chinese. This is the box, GTS, and it says here made in China, black. Now, the GTS is, let's open it first, the box. So this and it is, and let's cut it here. All right, now let's open it, then we'll see and compare it. Now, from what I see, the box of the GTS is the same with the GTR. It's very much alike. So, this is the GTS, square, black, with with a strap made out of silicone, as you can see here, black. Now let's open it here, and let's take off the sticker. So this is the GTS, this is the GTR. The GTR looks bigger, but the screen size is bigger of the GTS. It has 1.65 inch AMOLED screen, when the GTR has 1.39 inch AMOLED screen. The GTS is thinner from the GTR, 9.4 millimeters, comparison to 10.75 millimeters. The GTR, you can find it in 3 colors. GTS, you can find it in 6 colors. 25.5 grams. It's much lighter from the GTR. When the GTR, the aluminum alloy weighs about 36 grams. The stainless steel, which is this that you are looking at, weighs 48 grams. And the titanium version is 40 grams. Both of them have an IP rating of 5 atmospheres, 12 sport modes. The Chinese version support NFC. This is the global version. Now, the battery of the GTR is 410 milliampere. At me, it lasts about 3 weeks, about 3 weeks, I could say. Now, the GTS has a smaller battery, it's 220, and it lasts about 14 days. It's with a daily use mode. With the basic watch mode activated in both watches, the GTS, the battery lasts about 46 days, and the GTR lasts about 74 days. It's a really long time. With the GPS activated in continuous mode, the GTS lasts about 25 hours. The GTR lasts about 40 hours. Both of them support GPS and GLONASS. Both of them have a biological tracking optical sensor. 6-axis acceleration sensor, 3-axis geomagnetic sensor, with an ambient brightness sensor. Now, the difference between them, apart from that the GTS is lighter, thinner, square, the other is round, is that it has a special screen mode. Let's activate and see. Now this is how it activates. This is a watch face that you are watching at the GTR. Now this is the GTS. So it has like squares, and each square activates the activity that represents. So here it shows the steps. Here it shows the heartbeat, you pressing. Here it shows the battery. This is the weather, and you can see for the following days what is the weather. Now the menu is very alike of the GTR. You won't find any difference, as you can see. Activities, weather, music, notification, alarm, event reminder, more setting. It's the same. It's compass, timer, countdown. You can see that in the GTS you can see more things than the GTR at the same time. Find mobile, settings, watch face, screen not off, here screen duration, press hold, quick start, press and hold is quick start up. Always on display and system. About regulation and reboot, you see it has more things to see. At more, it has compass, timer, countdown, find mobile. Here's the menu again, the same. It doesn't have echo mode from what I see here. The brightness here it's set to full. Very alike. I don't believe that it is because of the watch face or the screen protector that I have put it on my GTR, but the colors in the GTS are more bright and better, I have to say. You can see more things in the GTS. The price of both of them is similar. About $160 you can find each GTS and GTR at Banggood, from where I've taken the GTS. What other differences it has? It doesn't have any other differences. Now, what to take? Whatever you like. If you are fond of round watches, then you will take the GTR. If you are fond of square watches, then you will prefer the GTS. GTS is lighter, thinner. It has the D options of the screen that activates its option, which GTR doesn't have it. It has many watch faces to choose. As you can see, it has in this, for example, and it has other customs that you can activate and pass through Notify, which is an application that I am using. Even with this watch face, you see weather, percentage of battery, steps, heartbeat, how many calories you have burned, if you have any schedule. It's really very detailed, perhaps more detailed than even the custom watch faces that I am using. So this is the Amazfit GTS. I will try to have a coupon in in the text below the video and at the review in order to get it cheaper. This is Smart Doctor. Bye.